Hey everyone, my name is Conor Riley of Washington Capital Partners. Today we'll be going over the 5 different ways for you to bring no cash to the table to have a 100% financing deal. Number 1, partner up. In this situation, one individual will bring the deal and you, as the investor, will manage that project. Now in this situation, you will have to be aware that this will become an equity split. Number 2, refinance. In this situation, we'll do a refinance of a current property that you have. We'll use the as-is value, and in a cash out situation, we can pull about 65% of that value. What we'll do here is apply those funds that you receive at the table for the purchase of a property that you are looking to invest in. I'm doing one right now in Northwest DC. The property is worth about $600K, so we'll be pulling about $390 out of that property and applying that to about 3 or 4 different down payments. Number 3, cross collateral. In this situation, we take a property that you currently have, should there be enough equity in the deal, we place a lien behind that property and the amount of your down payment of the property that you're looking to invest in. Number 4, friends and family. Your network is your net worth. Go to your friends and family asking for a down payment with a business plan. Prove to them that you can return their funds with the correct exit strategy. Last but not least, number 5, personal line of credit. In this situation, you can go to a bank asking for a personal line of credit, often up to $500,000. You can pull from that line of credit in order to be used for a down payment on an investment property. Thanks again everyone for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and comment below on what topic you'd like us to cover next.